how to sell USDT on Binance P2P method. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So after opening up your Binance wallet, just click on the trades at the bottom. After that, at the top, you will be able to find a list of different options. Just select P2P and wait for it to load. Click on confirm. And after that, just select the option of sell. It is by default selected as buy. Just select sell over here. Now just scroll down and among this list check which one is suitable to you, the price and the completion rate. Some people have the low completion rate whereas some have almost 100%. So go with someone who has higher completion rate, as there are some scams out there and there are some chances that you might get scammed. So it's better to take precaution. And you can also check the average time a person takes to complete its transaction. You can also check the amount of crypto that is available with a particular person. So just select any person who you want to use for selling your USDT. Suppose I want to use this person as he has around 100% completion rate and the rate is 89.43. So I will just select this person and click on sell. After that, type the quantity that you want to sell in USDT. Suppose I want to sell all of my USDT, so I will just select all. And if you want to manually type any particular amount, then just type that particular amount over here. And after that, just click on this option of select payment method. And over here, you can add IMPS or any other method. And then just click on sell USDT. And also make sure that while selecting any particular person among this list, you also check whether that particular person will be sending your money to your bank account or the way that they will be using in order to send you money. So this person is using IMPS. I need to add IMPS in order to receive the money. And in case if you want to receive the bank transfer, then just go with this person. And if you are just using UPI ID, then just go with this person. So this way, just choose any of the person who you want to go with. And after that, just type the amount that you want to sell and select the payment method, then just sell. And this way you would be good to go ahead. After that, just follow the procedure and you would be able to sell your USDT for the money in your bank account. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.